Hello students, today we will discuss the concept of polygon. As you all know that polygon is nothing but a closed form or closed area that is represented with the help of number of line segments and connected end to end point, or it may be represented as points where the side of polygon are connected. The line segment which make your boundary of polygon, these line segments are called edges and the endpoints are vertices. Basically polygons are of two types. It may be convex, it may be concave. How can you find that the polygon is convex or polygon is concave? Convex polygon, it is a polygon such that for any 2 point inside the polygon, if all the points on line segment connecting these points are also belonging to that polygon, such polygon is called convex polygon. And suppose if we talk about a triangle and we take 2 points inside a triangle and we connect these 2 endpoints with the help of points, or we draw a line between these 2 taken points, and all points belonging to that line comes inside your object or your polygon, then such polygon is known as convex polygon. From the diagram you can easily understand here the convex polygon, and remaining other polygons are those who are not convex, known as concave polygon. From the storage point of view, polygon can be saved in memory with the help of storage structure known as display file structure. Basically, display file structure is a storage that contains two things. One thing is opcode. Opcode means whatever the command, according to that instructions are stored. First coordinate explain you. First column explain you. Display file structure is just like a tabular format. First column is for your command, and second and third column is your for coordinate systems x and y. Suppose I want to draw a line from one point to another point. This is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So drawing a line from one point to another, first x coordinate is 0.3 and y coordinate is 0.7. This is 1 point, and instruction is for drawing any point command is 1, and for the line command is 2. This is the opcode, predefined opcode. Second point is 0.5 and 0.8. In this way, we can store our information of polygons in display file structure. This is the information, or this information provides you the details of a line where first point is this, second point is this. And 2 operation code will explain you that this is the command for line drawing. Now we will discuss, suppose we want to store a polygon in display file. To place a polygon in display file, what we do, suppose we are having this polygon and we want to store this polygon in the display file. What we do, these are the connected lines through which our polygon is designed. We place these points in our file, means command for drawing this line, for drawing this line, and so on. For drawing this line, what we write? We write opcode is true and then coordinates of x and y. But the problem associated with display file is that there is no way of knowing which line segment out of all these line segments in display file should be grouped together to form the polygon. And second problem associated with this file is that we have not correct positioned the pen for drawing the initial side, means from where we are going to start. This problem can be overcome by adding a new command, and this command will tell us how many sides are in the polygon and act as a move correctly position the pen for drawing first side. For example, there are 5 lines. What we have written below? 5 commands for line drawing, right? And these are the coordinates x or y. But from where xy, from which xy to connect which xy, how can it be decided? for solving this problem, what we have done a first initial command is 5 that tell us, or code 5 tell us that it's a 5-sided polygon, and this coordinate explain you this is our first point, means point we have to start from the point 1 and point 1. This is all about polygon.